Hey guys, I'm coming to you from the premier Barber and Beauty Expo down in Orlando. And I've been to double-digit amount of barber expos, but this is my first one that's attached to beauty as well. So it's cosmetology, nails and hair and everything related. And I just want to, in this video, kind of take you guys around to show you a little bit. It's probably not going to be the craziest quality. I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to hear and see. But I wanted to kind of show you some of the stuff that I'm talking about and how these things work. Essentially, there's a ton, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of vendor booths, and they're selling everything you can imagine, from hair supply items all the way to like food and drinks and all the tools you could ever imagine. So I'm kind of showing you guys around here a little bit. Again, I hope this picks up. And there's a little mic reverb that's not mine. And I know this is kind of different type content, but I had a lot of people when I said I was going to go to this expo that were talking about how they were curious about what it's like. And I'm going to show you guys the kind of barber side that we're on, and that's with the Beard Octane crew, of course. And this is by far the biggest one that we've ever been to. They're saying this year is going to be around 50,000 people in 2 days. And some of these areas might get a little bit more busy than others. Right, I mean, we're talking thousands and thousands of people here today. So stay with me as we make our way over. It really is just row after row. Vendors, noise, smells. I know I'm kind of in your guys' face here, but hopefully this turns out okay and we're able to use it. Just absolutely insane, you guys. I'm sure this video will be demonetized for the sound. The stage is back here. And then Beard Octane's just up here a little bit. They all have their different little music stations and speakers and whatnot. And then here's the Octane station. See, we got Joe, we got Eric, we got Ryder over there. Kind of show you guys around here. That's how it works. Let me see if I can find a quieter area for you real quick. That massive line back there is actually for tattoos. Yeah, that's about to get real loud. But they're giving out tattoos here, and it's like $60 and you get a tattoo at the expo. So pretty crazy. All right, again. Every station kind of has a little bit of like education attached to it. So I don't know if I'm going to have other clips. I don't even know if I'm going to use this. But if I do, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know your questions down below. What are you wondering about these expos? You can see how far this goes. And there's more sections as well. This is just absolutely insane. So much fun, so much beard talk. And yeah, they do barber battles, they do barber showcases. Let me know what you guys are wondering down in the comments. I can't wait to hear your questions, your thoughts. Nancy Bearded, please stay bearded and stay positive.